Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I'm super excited because voting for the second stimulus is beginning this week. This is awesome, really awesome news. So we're gonna be getting into all the updates, and honestly, I'm gonna show you guys because some of the people in the Senate have already voted on what direction they're taking these stimulus bills. So we're gonna get into the updates. Also on Trump's update of the $1,200 stimulus check, what he said about the $1,000 additional checks for children, as well as the unemployment. So we're gonna be looking at the huge stimulus bill, the multiple $1 trillion stimulus bill, and seeing how it applies to everyday Americans. Why? Because I myself am an everyday American, and I'm also looking for these benefits myself. So sorry, I'm in my car right now. I know I don't have a studio set up yet. It's in the works, guys, so just stay tuned. A new studio is gonna be coming shortly, so for this dedication of still filming in my car studio, please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy these daily stimulus update videos. I would honestly appreciate that a lot. By the way, I just launched a second channel called The Finance Hub, where I'm gonna be focusing on different ways to increase your income outside of rideshare and Uber and Lyft. So if you want to learn how to make more money and see daily updates on stimulus and news, go subscribe to my second channel, The Finance Hub. I'm gonna be posting videos there as much as possible, and I'm gonna try to say daily videos on finance, so go check out The Finance Hub. Thank you. So before this video gets started, if you want to make some money right now, if you need money today, I would strongly encourage you to sign up for Uber and Lyft. I'm gonna put my links down below, and you can get a sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400 depending on your market. Sorry, if you're in Timbuktu, Idaho, your sign up bonus or guarantee will probably not be $2,400. But if you do drive in a larger, a market like San Francisco or Los Angeles or New York, or Seattle, it could be up to $2,400. So check out the links down below. And also, if you do want to sign up for Yada Savings, it's a new online savings account, bank account that I personally use. I've deposited my money into there. I put about $40,000 into that account. Why? Because you get rewarded with tickets. The more money you put into your account, the more tickets you get to win up to $10 million. If you don't have a lot of money to put in your account, no worries, use the link down below. You will get 100 bonus tickets for signing up with my link and code. Make sure you type in my code when you sign up, Dylan57, and you can enter to win up to $10 million. 100 free tickets if you use my link. Now, let's get started. So again, we got a lot of updates today, so I'm gonna try to keep this as brief as possible. But again, the voting does start. I'm gonna click on Safari in 3, 2, 1, click, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Here we go. Mitch McConnell sets stimulus votes in Senate beginning Tuesday, guys. So this is big, Tuesday voting. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, a Republican, listens during a television interview, blah, blah, blah. That's Mitch McConnell right there. He set stimulus votes in Senate beginning Tuesday. This is big news, guys. So we could be getting a stimulus bill sooner than you think. I know back in when Donald Trump, long time ago, when he tweeted that he was diagnosed with the illness. Yeah. A couple days later, he said, sorry, no more stimulus negotiations from the Republican Party. And then 3 days later, he tweeted out, well, maybe let's get a stimulus. So I don't know, we're seeing, but this is a step in the right direction. The Senate will vote on Republican proposal for a roughly $500 billion economic recovery bill and additional funding to aid small businesses starting Tuesday. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said the votes, essentially one chamber messaging, will underscore the continued deep differences after months of talks on another stimulus bill that have failed to bridge gaps between President DT Trump, House Democrats, and Senate Republicans. McConnell, who previously said the Senate would take action during the week of October 19th, guys, what is it today? Spelled out schedule details on Saturday. A standalone vote on more funds for the Paycheck Protection Program will be held on Tuesday, followed by the main relief bill on Wednesday, guys. So Tuesday and Wednesday, keep those dates in mind because you're definitely gonna be wanting to watch this channel. You're gonna wanna be staying tuned because there's a lot coming forth. And also, look at this secret news, guys. GOP Senator Lindsey Graham said he would vote for a bigger stimulus package. This is a GOP senator, guys. He said he would vote said he would vote for, he's a Senator Lindsey Graham of South Carolina. Said he would vote for a bigger stimulus package as long as it's smart. And trust me guys, I think it's gonna be smart. You know, as the stimulus deadlock continues, President Donald Trump reiterated his push for further relief on Tuesday. Stimulus, go big or go home, he tweeted. This is a famous tweet. I know we've been talking about this a lot, and I know he did say it on Tuesday, but for the President of the United States to really encourage the stimulus, this is looking good for this channel. Gives us a lot of hope. I think the bigger the package, as long as it's smart, the senator told reporters on Friday. The Republican criticized the latest $2.2 trillion House proposal for including provisions that did not address the illness. There's a requirement in there for ballot harvesting. Those provisions are not about the illness, he continued, adding that he would support a larger package that has good policy, not just big numbers. So it is in the details. The devil's in the details. Remember that, guys. They're not just gonna pass it just because it has a large number. But look at this. Graham said he supports another round of $1,200 stimulus checks. There are some Republicans who don't want to spend any more. I think we need more money, but we don't need policy provisions like the House has. And a $500 billion stimulus package on Wednesday. So the small business on Tuesday, and then the additional aid would be on Wednesday, guys. So this is big. And this leads me to my next point, is that Mitch McConnell announces votes Tuesday. Look at him. Look at Mitch McConnell right there. He will try to advance a standalone Paycheck Protection Program bill. So this is separate from the stimulus bill. We got about 17 bills about to come out, guys. I know there's a lot going on. We're trying to keep up with all the news, all the updates. Hopefully something will pass soon. Nancy Pelosi promises help is on the way. See this face? Do I believe you, Nancy Pelosi? Guys, oh my gosh. I saw Nancy Pelosi on CNN the other day getting absolutely roasted by the wolf. Oh my gosh. Standalone stimulus check. Nancy Pelosi promises help is on the way. Trump official says it's not coming soon. Here's the latest. President DT, chief economic advisor, said Friday that even if a deal on a new illness bill was reached now, Americans wouldn't see most of the benefits until after Election Day. So unfortunately, guys, voting does start on Tuesday and Wednesday, but the benefits probably aren't even gonna roll in until after the election. So you're looking at another month of no money. Shucks. That's a big shucks. Why? Because we need money now. Give us the money today. Just put it, can we give you our Venmos? Just give us our Venmo. Give everybody $1,000 on Venmo, we'd be happy. Even if you make a deal, it would be almost impossible to execute. Maybe some of it could be executed, but you certainly wouldn't get a grand, large deal. Here we go. This is the most important part. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said any benefits would be retroactive no matter when a deal has reached. It will be safer, bigger, and better, and it will be retroactive. To our constituents, we promise. Help is on the way, Pelosi says. That's big. That is big. House Democrats know firsthand how necessary it is to come to an agreement. So Nancy Pelosi just announced, guys, help is on the way. It'll be safer, bigger, and better, and it will be retroactive. That's all we got for today's video. Again, guys, check out the links down below to sign up for Uber or Lyft or Yada Savings. Get 100 bonus tickets to win up to $10 million. Thumbs up this video if you enjoy the daily stimulus update videos. See you tomorrow, guys, with another stimulus update video. Bye, guys.